order to break into the bank.
ljudi.
Correct? Is it
To
not
sam
obvious?
počeo jedan smogni deo
Is
što
it
sam
really
imao.
that obvious?
Gledajte da sam oboje.
Proof that the defendant didn't hide himself in that bag.
Sad treba da kažemo
What
da...
are you waiting for? Present this evidence already.
Šalim. Present.
Take that!
Take that.
What is this?
It's evidence.
And how exactly does this prove anything?
Well, I was just kidding. Let me try again.
This is no time to joke. I see no reason to follow along this crowd. I find the defendant, Henry Stickman.
No! We're guilty! Opet. Idemo ovo.
Take that!
Is that the bag the defendant hid in?
Yes, but there's one thing that's been bothering me. If the defendant really was hiding in this bag, then how did he tie the knot from the outside of the bag?
What?
If he was inside the bag, it'd be impossible for him to tie that knot on the outside.
But then, how did he do it?
It's simple. He didn't. What thought he was saying? I'm saying my client wasn't hiding that bag at all. He was stopped
Idemo.
by this very witness.
Da!
What?
Ja.
As you can see by this doctor's analysis, the defendant had taken
Da
quite
moći. Da bacam.
I was in the
Put
bag.
spasi.
He was unconscious.
Da!
This is absurd.
Absurd.
The witness was attempting to dispose of the body. He left the defendant in the bag. No
Da.
one could drive by it on the way back to the bank.
Da.
When the witness and his partner passed the bag,
Šta?
he convinced his partner to throw the bag in the
Naravno.
But why would he do that?
Why, to dispose of the body, of course. There were millions of bags of money in that bank, and the witness knew it would take a long time before the victim
Da.
was found. But unfortunately for the witness, his victim woke up and tried to escape from his tomb. He was arrested on the spot, and the witness thought everything was over. He'll come back to haunt him now. You can't be happening to me!
Da, dešava se na tebe.
Well, that certainly was an interesting trial. However, I am now ready to deliver my verdict. I find the defendant, Henry Stickman,
Not guilty, nisam kriv, naravno. Bave! Idemo. Try for different. Ajmo ovo. Dobili smo tortu kao pa moramo da koristimo se. Evo. Pucaj! Sad ću da prob... Ma da! Ma da! Idemo ovo. Možemo ovo, ćemo imamo 100% policajca, samo na poziv. Kako ga? Ajmo da probam rešetke. Ovo ću. Mogu. Baš. Pink. Što? Klik. To kad sam vidio. Jebem ti! Nisam ga video. Aha, da sam. Znači da mu... Šta bi? Neki ponovno. Ne možeš... A, dobro, neći ja.
Hey, he's escaping.
Ja, he's escaping. Šta sad? Bomba je... Bomba! Sad će ti puta. Ma... Jebe! Koja da sreća, ja! Gdje ćemo sad? Moramo ovo. Šta se čuje ovo? Mora izginu. Aj.
Get him.
Aaaa! Znači idemo ovamo. Što ćemo sad? A klemo se da neće uspjeti sa jetpacka lajda, hoću da mi dalje smešno. Sad će boliti. A?
You're back.
Ovo znači uspeh. Naravno. To. Teleportujemo se. O, uspjelo je. Da je bilo ono drill. Ako nije onda je ono energy drink. What the fuck? Uje, evo da smo. Ha? Živi smo. Imam pajser. Opa! Opet sam izgubio. Tuči! Ovamo! Dobro. Polako se. Pa kaj će dao govena? Piši! Ma daj! Sad ću baš napred da probam, ako je napred, brate, ja ću da... Znaš šta ću ja da radim? Njima, brate, znači da se zveknem od 100. Boli! Get ready. Iz početka! Trči! Auto je bilo blizu. Šta je ovo? Zašto se koči? Bum! Kako se, vrate, to radi kao ekspert. Što je? Mislim da ćeš samo on nastavio kad to ne uspije. Sve stavio. Gledaj. Krofne za mene. Pojeo je on lepo krofnu i zašao. Tek počne štopati. I srce. I mrtav. To je bilo to. Pa ljudi, to bi bilo to. Vidimo se u sljedećoj epizodi.